Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. ویلکم ٹو مائی یوٹیوب چینل جابز انفو ان پاکستان. امید ہے آپ سب لوگ ٹھیک ہوں گے. جیسا کہ آپ کو پتہ ہے کہ آج 13 کی ڈیٹ تھی، 13/7/2025، اور آپ کو پتہ ہے آج کے دن دو کلب پیپر ہونے تھے، اے ڈی پیسی اور اے ڈی ٹیپا کے. تو یہ اس کی ہے جو میں آپ لوگوں کے ساتھ شیئر کر رہی ہوں، جو کہ 100 مارکس کا پیپر تھا جی کے کا. تو میں اپنا ویڈیو سٹارٹ کرتی ہوں تاکہ آپ لوگ اس کو جلد سے جلد دیکھیں، میچ کریں اور اپنے نمبرز کو کمپائل کر سکیں. سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. ارتھ ایٹماسفیئر ایکسٹینڈ ٹو ہائٹ آف رفلی 20,000 kilometer above the Earth's surface. Which sector produced 2.5 in GNP of Pakistan? Mining. The three sister rivers Barrow, Narrow and Sur flow through Ireland. Mountain Mitchell is the highest peak of which mountain? Alpacin. What is the altitude of Murray? 7,500 feet. Economic policy maker in Ziaul Haq era was Ghulam Ishaq Khan. Which Asian leader proposed free trade agreement between China and ASEAN? Xi uh, Xi Jinping. Moon distance from Earth is 380,000 kilometer. Incorrect format of formula 10 plus 15. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. Sun is a yellow star. Its temperature is 6,000. What is the focus of IPCC 2025? Climate resilience and its impact. Mountain Moulin Rouge is located in Paris. Fallujah Fort located in Son Valley. Autocorrect is used to replace misspelled word in documents. When Pakistan joined SEATO 1954. Influenza is virus. Pak joined UN in 1947. Pakistan won Cricket World Cup in Melbourne 1992. Logarithms were introduced by the great Muslim mathematician Musa al-Khwarizmi. Kadamgah of Mola Ali is located in Hyderabad, Sindh. Maya Bay Beach is located in Thailand. Solo is a TV station in Afghanistan. Yomul Furqan is which Ghazwa Badr. Majlis-e-Shura consists of how many houses? 2. In the Heptathlon, which is the first event 60 meter. Which organization 80th anniversary celebrated in 1925? UNO. Bomb doctrine is Nixon doctrine. HTML used for developing web page. Who is the savior of Pakistan? Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. In PowerPoint, the dash view is used for automatically playing slideshow. Hannes Seidel Foundation is related to scholarship. Jump ball is related to which game? Basketball. Qaid-e-Azam papers located in National Archives. Application of technologies which secure the network and software from attack is called cybersecurity. Sheikh Fariduddin Ganj Shakar belongs to which silsila? Silsila Chishtiya. Shah Waliullah translated Holy Quran into which language? Persian. Pakistan first TV station is located in Lahore. Driest desert of the world is located in South America. Pakistan national river is Indus. Pakistan won its first hockey gold medal in hockey in Asian Games in 1958. Kinetic and potential energy are which type? Mechanical. Pakistan purchased which jet from China in 2025? JF-35. Kashmir territory distributed in how many countries? Three. US ambassador US ambassador who died with President Ziaul Haq in plane crash was Arnold Raffel. When Quaid-e-Azam joined All India Muslim League 1913. Khilafat Khilafat delegation met with PM of UK in 1920, Lloyd George. Nawab Wakarul Mulk was secretary of Aligarh College. What is the purpose of NASA's SpaceX mission? History of universe. What is the purpose of sorry ये हो चुका है thermos flask यानी thermos flask is used to maintain temperature. Which book written by Fatma Bhutto on her family and Pakistan? Songs of Bloods and Sword. Anatole Levin's book about Pakistan is titled as Pakistan a Hard Country. He dash smoking last year. He gave up smoking last year. He was caught of stealing the pen. He is good at playing piano. She is allergic to cats. He takes after her grandmother. Both have the same nose. The plane took off at 9 a.m. Analogy of robin, bird, bee, insect. Turn dash music, it's too loud. Turn down the music, it's too loud. Fraction of adverb placement. Let us play here nicely. Let us play nicely here. We reached at station just in time. The book belongs to me. Synonym of connoisseur, love of art. We do wrong, but we do not show empathic sentence. He has no child by his this wife. The meeting has been put off until next week. The first governor of the Northwest Frontier Province, George Cunningham. EU donated 1.6 million euro to Palestine. Ronton invented X-rays. Oxygen was invented by Priestley. First Pakistani who qualified for Tokyo Olympics in javelin throw, Arshad Nadeem. Pak ideology based on the idea of Islam. In Saudi Arabia, there is a monarch type of government. Which country did not sign CTBT? North Korea. Pakistan staff level agreement which organized to IMF extended fund facility. Postal system was introduced in the era of which Khalifa Hazrat Umar Razila Ta'ala Anha. What is the main objective of Asian Economic Integration Report 2025? Regional economic integration, the parameter of a triangle with verticals. 12. The pair of equation y is equal to and y is equal to minus 5 has solution, no solution. A person age after 15 year will be 4 times his age 15 year back. What is the percent age? 25. If amount increase by 25%, the amount become 44 lakh after 44 crore after 1 year with the original value before 1 year is 35 crore and something. Number of multiplied by 3 instead of dividing 3. What percentage of number increased by desired value? 900%. If circumstances are if circumference of circle and the perimeter of a square are equal, then area of circle greater than area of square. One Friday on Friday, 170 teacher present out of 100. What percentage of teacher was present on that day? 85%. For for 3x plus 2y is equal to 7 and 6x plus my is equal to 4, find the value of m for which of the system of equation has infinitely means many solutions. 4. रुबाई किस जुबान का लफ्ज़ है? अरबी। अंजुमन पंजाब किसने बनाई? डॉक्टर लाइटर। गर्चा कौन सा हरूफ है? हरूफ इस्तिदराक। तनकीद की आज़ादी किसकी किताब है? मुज़फ़्फ़र अली सैयद। आज मरे कल दूसरा दिन से क्या मुराद है? आरज़ी ज़िंदगी। अंधेर नगरी चौपट राज से क्या मुराद है? बेपरवाह हुकूमत। हफीज़ खान का कौन सा नावल भावलपुर की तारीख पर है? अधूरे लोग। अख्तर हुसैन जाफरी ने किसकी मौत पर तुझको किस फूल का कफन पहनाए नज़म लिखी? एज़रा पाउंड। इस्तेजाबिया जुमला की निशानदाही कीजिए। वाह कितना खूबसूरत मौसम है। इमाम शाफी किसके शागिर्द थे? इमाम मालिक। ग़ज़वतुल उसरात किस ग़ज़वा को कहते हैं? ग़ज़वा तबूक। हजूर पाक ने किस ग़ज़वा के बाद 3 दिन तक हमराउल असद में क़याम फरमाया? ग़ज़वा ओहद। सहीफ़ा हमाम बिन मंबा किस के मुतालिक है? अबू हुरैरा। ये वो की थी जो मैंने आप सबके साथ शेयर कर दी है। अब इसको देख के आप अपना अ, देख सकते हैं कि आपके मार्क्स कितने बनते हैं, आपके नेगेटिव मार्किंग क्या बनती है और आपके टोटल नंबर कितने बनते हैं। तो ये की आप सबके सामने है और आपको बता भी दी गई है और सारी बता भी दी गई है। इसके अलावा भी आपने इसको 1-2 दफ़ा रीड करना हो, पढ़ना हो, अपनी तसल्ली करनी हो, तो आप कर सकते हैं। ये 100 मार्क्स का पेपर था जो मैंने आप सबके साथ शेयर कर दिया है। इसके साथ ही मुझे इजाज़त दें। दुआ में याद रखें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।